Welcome back to Get Out There with Brent and April. It's a beautiful overcast day and we are hiking to Massacre Falls. Even though there's a little rain, Massacre Falls is just a drip. On our way back, we explore a cave. Thanks for joining us. Brent and April here, headed to Massacre Falls today. 5-mile hike.
We call it Massacre Drip.
Call it Massacre Drip because there's never really any water running. Even after a lot of rain, it doesn't do much, but it's always wet. Massacre Falls, this is where the Peralta family were ambushed by the Apaches and killed. See that now.
The rocks are slippery.
I got
wet.
water on the lens. Look at that now.
I can't see it.
I work as a nurse anesthesiologist. We had a organ harvest from a young man. It's always a somber event. He's giving life to several other people through donations of heart, liver, lungs, kidneys, all kinds of stuff, you know. But every time I have a case like that, it's just a reminder of how fragile life is, and it's important to live it with the people you love. That's why I go hiking with April. Live life, you never know when your time is up, so make sure you tell everyone in your life who you love that you love them, so they know. So when you go, they're not guessing, questioning. You never said it. And get out there. Go on adventures together. See things, do things. Don't be an NPC, non-player character. If they were to make a movie of your life, would it be boring? If you sitting on your butt, go to work, sit on your butt, watch TV, go to work, sit on your butt, watch TV? Or would you do fun things? Go see things. When our kids were a little younger, we wanted to go see some of the sights in Arizona. Went to Tombstone. Tourist trap. It's fun. It was fun to see it, but it was like, oh my gosh, it was such a tourist trap.
They have the oldest Catholic church down in Tucson on the reservation down there. My brother went down there. The oldest Catholic church in the Americas.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have some
Tucson.
cool stuff.
And we went and saw Casa Grande.
Yeah.
It's actually not in Casa Grande, it's in Coolidge, Arizona. We've been to the Grand Canyon. Well, obviously we hike that. We do that as a family. We get a couple times we got our extended family all to come. So we had my brothers and sisters-in-laws and all the nephews and nieces, and it was fun. I died. Get out there, do adventures, find something that's interesting
Breathe heavy.
that you can learn from and experience together. April and I had the opportunity to go to Portugal. We went and saw some cool things. Saw a lot of cool castles and churches. But we went on, thought it'd be fun to go on a hike while we were there. And we went on a hike, just found some, just Googling it kind of, and looked it up on all trails.
It was really cool.
And that was probably our favorite thing of the whole trip, was going on this really cool hike. They had built this really large suspension bridge, long suspension bridge through this deep canyon, and there's a river going down below. We saw kayakers going through there and doing through the rapids and stuff. It was really cool. Yeah, and at those really steep sides, they had built these wood platforms all the way around, so it's like stairs and platforms going all through this thing. It was really cool. It's probably one of our favorite things that we did there. So, point of all that, get out there, find something you love, do it with the people you love. You won't regret it. So Paradox Arch
Right over
on the
little...
other side of here. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, apparently this is Massacre Grounds of Massacre Falls. This is where the remains were scattered, I guess.
Were they scattered or were they forced to go over? Or were they like
I don't know.
ambushed right
They were
there?
ambushed and killed, but this is where they found like the remains, the bodies and stuff of the, I don't know. It's a lot of folklore. Hard to know exactly what's what. This was in the late 1800s, so well, many people have come through here looking for the lost mine. No one's found it. At least no one that's claimed they found it. If they were smart, they'd find it and keep their mouth shut. But with all the hikers coming through here, that sure would be hard to keep the mine hidden, you know.
What's crazy is it was dripping on Tuesday. There's a tree right there. Oh my gosh. There's a branch right here. There's not even a drip.
Yeah.
Usually there's a drip.
Or something. I love that the dog was like all the way
Yeah.
with you and just
He stays pretty, yeah.
He's part mountain goat. It really is.
And he's indifferent to people, so he just stays by us.
just does his thing.
Yeah, he likes to hide.
Well, enjoy the rest.
Thank
You
you.
too.
You too. Fellowship, you can barely see it looking out over that flat mesa. In between the mesa and the big mountain is Battleship. You can hardly even see it.
Yeah.
But start like Thursday down and there and then up Battleship and back out. 12.2 miles.
And that's over here is the peak of Weaver's Needle.
Needle. There's Blacktop Mesa. Blacktop between those two little
Oh yeah, right in that little, right at the crest of that little valley, there's a little black top. It's so windy, right?
Okay, let's try to get down in an hour.
Morning.
Morning. Thank you.
Whew, here we go, Marshall. Man, that's a workout. Here it is. The cave.
That's a really good cave.
This would be a good shelter from a big downpour.
Yeah, it would.
Oh,
That's good.
I got my heart beating.
Yeah.
I don't remember it being so big, so deep in there.
It's a pretty big cave.
Oh. I just got lightheaded from standing up so fast. Stairmaster. Camera is way down there.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, come on. We think it's funny how the Apple Watches can be so, you're hiking the same hike, but they can be so different as far as elevation and distance.
Woo! That's fine.
There's the cars.
Okay, you gotta go film this with me. Ready?
The purple flowers.
These are only here for a few weeks out of the entire year. Aren't they pretty?
Yeah, when the desert blooms, it's magic.
That's
All right.
okay. Maybe you should get out there. It's
You
fun.
should get out there.
Yeah.
Get out there, everybody. Marshall, over here. Nope, over here.